We recently had the chance to go to South Africa and see the penguins. It was about an hour's drive from the cruise port where we docked. Welcome to Boulders, home of the African penguin. Oh Lord, Cambry, I sure hope they don't bite you. One of the interesting things that we learned was penguins mate for life. Unlike most humans. There's a happy couple now. Unfortunately, the penguins have declined 99% of their population in the last century. They estimate there are only 20,000 left in the world. Cambry was amazed, and so were we.
So small.
There are so many wonderful things to see in this world.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
What you looking at?
It's just what I do when I'm out, so
these penguins are facing extinction, so they have built special places for them to breed.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing
and what a better backdrop to breed than this.
break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
After the penguins, the guide decided to take us to some of the most beautiful beaches in Cape Town, Africa.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping
Cambry's face says it all.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive